Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Now, I am going to show you how you can texture game assets and bake lights in Substance Painter. After texturing is done, go to Filter and use the Baked Lighting environment. Click and drag it to Layers. You must place Baked Lighting environment top of all texture, otherwise it won't work. In the Baked Lighting environment, check the environment map. If it's black, then use HDRI images for lighting. You can use solid colors also. Now just export the textures. I am testing the texture in Unreal Engine. It is the same for all game engines because lights are baked into the base color. I took an empty level with no lights for test. I imported the models and textures in Unreal Engine. Attach the base color RGBA to emissive color for the baked lights is to turn on in the material. Otherwise it won't work. As you can see, object is visible without lighting in the scene. This is a great way to build mobile games. Hope you enjoyed the video.